Welcome back. We are in the middle of hurricane season, but it's not too late to get hurricane insurance for your home. So what does hurricane insurance cover, and how often should someone audit their coverage? Tim Johns, President and CEO of Zephyr Insurance, joins us with more. Thank you for joining us this morning. Obviously we are in the thick of things when it comes to hurricane insurance, and people that need hurricane insurance or have hurricane insurance, that protects them from the wind damage?
That's right. That's right. So we are 2 months into hurricane season, as you know, and it's been 30 years since we've had a major event here, but we had a couple of close calls last
Sure.
month with Hurricane Eric and Hurricane Flossie. So now's the time to check on what you have. And the way that hurricane insurance works is once the National Hurricane Center has issued a watch or a warning for Hawaii, then hurricane coverage kicks in for wind damage. Up until then, it's your homeowner's insurance, and then once the watch is issued, homeowner's insurance turns off, hurricane insurance turns on, and it stays on until 72 hours after the hurricane has left. And it covers everything that you have in your policy, so that's why it's important for you to check what's in your policy.
Question about the winds and the rain, because part of the biggest issues with hurricanes is storm surge,
right,
and sometimes some flooding. And
right,
we see this. We don't even have to get directly hit by a hurricane to have some serious flooding. Does the hurricane insurance cover water damage or flooding?
Yeah, so the way that it works is hurricane insurance covers wind damage. So if your roof blows off and then water blows in from the top or from the sides, that's the easy way to think of it, then that's hurricane coverage. If it comes up from the ocean or a surge, then that's flood coverage, and that's a separate thing. Homeowners policies in Hawaii, most of them have exclusions for hurricane coverage for the wind and flood coverage. So those are separate policies that people need to take a look at.
Gotcha. And if you live in a flood-prone area, where you can get flooding from a hurricane, then you got to make sure you're covered, not only the winds, but also from the floods. All right, let's ask you about this whole auditing their insurance coverage. Sure. I haven't heard too much about this. Could you explain what it is?
Sure. I think for most people, you get your insurance policy and you kind of sit on it and you don't really think about it until the hurricane comes. But every couple of years, or if you've added a major renovation to your house, you probably should audit your policy. So take a look at your policy or ask your insurance agent to look at your policy and make sure that you have the coverages that you want. If you don't have them, then you could be in for an unpleasant surprise once the hurricane hits. The kinds of coverage that most people have is just the minimum covering the structure of the house. What's important is if you want to have your contents covered inside. So all your furniture, all your valuable stuff, everything that's important to you that's inside the structure is a separate coverage. And a lot of people don't realize that. Some people just get the minimum and then don't get the coverage for the contents. That's important to have that.
You got to keep it up to date. All right, so let's say we're in the middle, of hurricane season, and we are, and we see a system out there. Yep. When is the very last point that I can pick up the phone and call Zephyr and say, I need coverage?
Once the hurricane watch is issued by the National Hurricane Center, then that's when the moratorium kicks in.
Okay.
So you can do it now. Now's the time. You said, I just saw on your guys' weather report, you got a couple of systems out there. So now's the time to make sure you have that coverage. If you have a mortgage, the mortgage company's already requiring you to have hurricane coverage. But if not, you should still check to make sure. But you can get it all the way up to the time that the hurricane watch is issued.
And I live in a condo, not a house. So still, it's probably a good idea to get coverage just in case,
That's right.
Window breaks.
Yep, wind blows in, ruins all your furniture. So, and a lot of times the condo association gets the coverage for the structure, but you may have to get your own coverage for your contents.
Okay, always a good idea. Better be safe than sorry.
Absolutely.
Tim Johns, President and CEO of Zephyr Insurance. Give them a call. What's the best way for people to contact you and maybe, talk about coverage?
Sure. If they have any questions, they can go to www.zephyrinsurance.com.
All right. Thanks a lot. Appreciate your time and your expertise.